The intensity of this match has been incredible.
Oh, nasty impact.
This has been a battle. You gotta believe this one's over. When this guy's on, look out. Through the roof.
Saxton, you're not getting your rental deposit back.
This one's over, guys.
He's got him covered. 1, 2, 3.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Harsh impact. Give these superstars a ton of credit. I don't know too many competitors who can withstand the amount of punishment that they have here tonight.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium. He's in a very bad way here, guys. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
This one could go either way, guys. It might just come down to which superstar. Oh, driver!
Spiked him. That has got to be it.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end. At what point do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys.
Big time slam. Vicious.
This one's over, guys.
He goes for the cover. I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are. He's making a statement here with this attack.
You know, an Extreme Rules match is going to be dangerous going in, but I don't think anybody anticipated it being this dangerous.
Boy, these superstars have been through it all here in this Extreme Rules match.
We know what a boom.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Wow, I thought he was a goner.
He's stumbling some now. This is not where he wants to be right now, guys.
This is where we find out who the better man is, and at this point, it could very well be either one of these guys. That's how close this thing is.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
How much more punishment needs to be dished out? Just finish it. You might just have nothing left to give, guys.
Well, on the plus side, he's not the only one in that ring struggling.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to creep in that it could be over. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
When this guy's on, look out.
Yeah, if he hits, great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Looking for the finish. What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has...
There it is. That is a game changer. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat. 2, 3. There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown. He's too quick for him there. Now he's working that Ooh, what impact.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
The shoulders are down. 1, 2. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Reverses that one. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh boy, he is rolling. remember the last time the champion was up against as stiff a challenge as this one. High crossbody.
Is that enough for the win? And the fight must go on.
Gonna take more than that.
Oh, and he reverses it. This has been a war. He's looking incredibly fatigued right now. Tonight may not be his night, guys. Shoving them away. At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Boy, this has just been pandemonium. And now one more time. Nailed it. Talk about how he could pin his opponent right here. I don't know too many other guys that would have been able to kick out of that.
It's gonna take more than that.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win? What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight.
Looks like both these superstars have found that little extra something to keep themselves going here tonight.
Counter here. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. When this guy's on, look out. They can't walk after that attack to the back. Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
What is keeping this competitor going?
This is amazing.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. Escapes trouble there. Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Lightning fast reflexes. Got the reversal. The intensity of this match has been incredible. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that. He's got the shoulders down. One! It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down.
Too soon.
Momentum clearly in his corner. This has been a battle.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And there's the cover. He's a long way from a 3 count, I can tell you that.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
Boom! I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be.
He's teetering on the edge here.
I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible.